If your roof is over 15 years old and you've noticed missing shingles or leaks, replacement is likely around the corner, but most homeowners don't know what to look for, and they end up paying way more than they should. So here are 3 things that you need to know before replacing your roof. So number 1, look for the warning signs early. Water stains on the ceilings, curling shingles, or moss growth are all red flags that should not be ignored. Number 2, work with the right expert. A quality roof is a significant investment, and choosing the right materials, understanding warranties, ensuring proper installation requires professional advice. Partnering with a trusted contractor from the start can save you money and stress. Number 3, ask about financing. A roof is a major investment and you don't have to pay for all of it at once. So here at J.A. Kelly Contracting, we offer financing of up to $100,000 with payments starting as low as $150 a month. That means you can protect your home without the financial stress. So schedule your free inspection today and get the expert advice for your roof.